Hey everybody, John here from IncomeMesh.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how quickly you can design a professional looking website and blog that you'd be super proud of in under 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So here we have a brand new fresh website. You can see here it's just our little succulent here and a whole lot of nothing. So what we're going to do is totally revamp this website together here in under 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and go straight to our appearance and themes. The first thing we're going to do is add an amazing free theme, and we're going to search for it by saying Astra in the top right bar. And you can see here's the guy that shows up. We'll go ahead and install this guy. And there we go. Let's go and activate it. And Astra is a great free theme because it gives you a lot of awesome options. So we're going to go to Astra options here. And we're going to look over here to Importer plugin. And this is kind of the cheat code in the WordPress community. So if you install the Importer plugin, you're going to be able to, with a single click, install entire websites that look incredible. So let's go ahead and look at the library by saying See Library. And then this will pull up our Astra sites. And this is 100% free to use. There are some paid options, but we don't need those to make an amazing looking website from day one. Let's go and pick one of these two page builders. If you don't know what a page builder is, it makes everything a lot easier. So we'll pick Elementor. It's my preferred of those two. And now you get to scroll through and see what type of website you want to do. You can notice here there are some that say agency. These are premium websites that you can't get with the free theme, but that's okay because there's plenty that look super professional and are 100% free. So let's go ahead and take a look at this guy here, Eventus. You can go to the details in preview, and what this does is it actually creates the entire website right here visually for you, and you can see if you like it or not. So here we can click on schedule, and actually it will include the links and everything is working just right. Personally, I'll be honest with you, I'm not a big fan of that one, so we're going to skip it. But yeah, I'm wasting my time here. We don't need all that time to build an amazing website. Bold style setter. This is like a barber shop. And this is amazing. If you want to get into the web design business and serve clients by building professional websites, look how easy this is. So now let's say I like this one because I kind of do. I need a haircut as well. So you can see here, it requires some additional plugins, Contact Form 7, Elementor, Site Origins, Widgets Bundle, and that's because within this build out of a website, they've actually used these plugins. The great thing is also all the plugins are 100% free. So what we'll do is say install plugins with one click. Just wait for a little bit. Some of these may take a moment. So while that's going, we'll just kind of chat about why Astra and Elementor are a dynamic combo. They're hard to beat in the WordPress space. They have this amazing partnership where all these page builders give you the ability to build whatever you want. But Elementor and Astra are a great combination because with Elementor, you can design everything you want. The header, the footer, the sidebar, and it's all in that very seamless experience. And Astra is great because this site feature, for one, but also the theme itself is super lightweight and fast. And there you go. So we installed those three plugins. We'll go ahead and say import this site. And it's just going to tell you that, hey, it's going to make some pages for your website, all this good stuff. And you can see it's kind of working right there. So let's keep chatting for a little bit while it's going. So I'm not going to speed this video up. So Astra's a second main benefit is that it's super optimized. It's very lightweight, which means that if you're going to customize everything with a page builder, you want to have a very lightweight theme because otherwise you're bogging down your website for no good reason. So we're probably about done here. Let's just see how we're about at 4 minutes or so on the clock. And drum roll, please. Importing site options, widgets, import complete, done, view site. So now when we click here, you can see our Astra review.local is fully built out. Now this is your actual website. Like if you go into services, not only is this a website that you can see, but now you can edit it. So we can go into Elementor and this will load up in a way where you can edit every little thing. So if you're doing grooming, let's say it's a mustache grooming for free. And everything here is now clickable, editable. You can make it bold. You can take bold off. You can make it italics. You can change change everything about this immediately. So that is how you can build an amazing website from the ground up for free that looks super professional and is ready to edit and go live today. I'm John from IncomeMesh.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time.